Hi, I'm Mike with New York Safety and Training, here to speak briefly about the Worker Wallet Card. What is it? Who needs it? Okay, by July 1st, 2025, Department of Buildings is requiring in New York City that all workers carry the purple Worker Wallet Card instead of the old traditional training cards that they used to be issued by their training provider for certain trainings, and I'll go over what those trainings are. The reason we're rolling out this purple Worker Wallet Card is because our site safety training card, the blue one, or supervisor SST card, the yellow one, have had such great success in cracking down on fraudulent training and fake cards. So the SST and the supervisor cards have been very successful, but it's still kind of the Wild West out there when it comes to scaffold cards and the like. My team and I very often receive emails from employers, job sites and the like, sending us a scaffold card saying, hey, is this legitimate? And it's not. There are a lot of fake cards out there, so it can be very unsafe. You might be working on a suspended scaffold and the person working next to you never took that 16-hour suspended scaffold user class that you took. They just paid somebody for a fake card, so they don't know anything about the safety that you know. So the Worker Wallet Card has the same security features as these cards. So that's why we're making the switch to crack down on fake cards. So who needs the Worker Wallet Card? Basically anybody who would have had any of the other training cards. What do I mean by that? If you took a class in New York City at a DOB training provider and you were given a photo ID card after that class, that photo ID card doesn't work after June 30th. You need this. So think scaffold classes, supported scaffold, your 4-hour user class, your 32-hour installer or remover class, suspended scaffold, the user or the supervisor, cranes and derrick courses, your rigging worker, rigging supervisor, your climber tower crane rigger, and your mast climber user, operator. Those would all have cards. Now they need to go on the Worker Wallet Card. And then finally, plumbing courses, the one plumbing course, periodic gas piping inspector. So any of that training, anyone who has that training has those cards won't be recognized after June 30th. All of that training will show up on the Worker Wallet Card. What doesn't go on the Worker Wallet Card? Your SST classes, they have their own card, and any other DOB classes that you took as a prerequisite to apply to the Department of Buildings for a license. If somebody comes to us to take the 40-hour site safety class, used to be called the 40-hour site safety manager, they walk out with a piece of paper certificate, not an ID card, because that piece of paper certificate, that class, is part of the package they put into the Department of Buildings as part of their application for site safety manager, site safety coordinator. Those classes, which are part of an application for a New York City license, those don't go on the Worker Wallet Card. Just the classes that used to have their own cards. So if you did all those different training, you had like 7, 8, 9 different cards in your pocket, those go away. Everything is on this one Worker Wallet Card. How do you get a Worker Wallet Card? Well, if you took any of those DOB classes with New York Safety and Training in the last 8 months or so, you already have a Worker Wallet Card. With our classes, the Worker Wallet Card is included in the class. No extra charge, it's part of the class. If you show up to take a class and already have your Worker Wallet Card, we just add this training into your Training Connect profile. If you do not yet have a Worker Wallet Card, between now and July 1st, you can come take any of those classes with us and it's in that, you'll get it included. Or there's simply an application fee of $40. If you're not taking a class, if you're just coming in to order a card, $40 per individual card, $35 for groups of more than 10 for us to process those cards. It's a pretty straightforward process. If you took all of your training with us at New York Safety and Training, it is a fast process. You can come in, pay the $40, our team can load everything up into your profile and print it then and there. The only potential delay is if you have training from other training providers, we do have to do our due diligence and send your certificates out to them for them to verify that that training is accurate. So that's also a warning to anybody out there with that fraudulent training. You can't get it put onto a Worker Wallet Card. All of the legitimate training providers are going through the due process of checking that that training is real before printing your Worker Wallet Card. So that is part of this process to weed out all of that fake training and make sure that anybody on a job site who is supposed to have specific safety training has actually had it. All right. So I hope that was helpful. Again, I'm Mike with New York Safety and Training. If you have any questions, comments, anything, feel free to email me, to contact my team, call us, text us, whatever may be. Our company number is 718-734-8400. You can always reach our admin team at admin@nysafetyandtraining.com. Thanks so much. I hope you get your worker wallet card in hand if you need it before July 1st. Be safe out there.